A clean engine is a more efficient running engine, as dirt is an insulator. We will use the dry foam method. You've seen me do this before, so I'll just kind of grab some snapshots of the process and let it roll. As you build your credit history with a Fingerhut Betty credit account. If you're looking for electronics, kitchen essentials, clothes, toys, and more. It's now nice and clean, so let's condition and protect all of the materials in the engine compartment. Plastic, metal, rubber, absolutely everything. And that should do it. Much better. We are making some real progress. It's looking a whole lot better than the first day we brought it back. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.